Before you watch another ad you didn't ask for, let me show you the safest and most effective way to install an ad blocker in Microsoft Edge. Launch Microsoft Edge on your PC. Now go to the Edge add-ons store. Type Microsoft Edge.microsoft.com/add-ons and press enter. In the search bar, search for uBlock Origin and press enter. In the search results, click on uBlock. Make sure the publisher is Raymond Hill to avoid fake copies. Click Get. From there, click Add Extension. Edge will automatically download and install it. Once added, you'll see uBlock Origin icon. Optionally, you can set up uBlock Origin for stronger blocking. Click on the View extension. Then click on the uBlock Origin icon. From there, on the dashboard, click the gear icon. Now select the Filter List tab. And scroll down the list to enable EasyPrivacy. Now scroll further down and expand the Annoyances section. From there, check the box on uBlock filters in order to block pop-ups and cookie banners. Lastly, scroll up and expand on the malware and security protection. Now simply check the box to block phishing URLs. To verify the ad blocker is active, you would have to visit the test page. Type adsblocker.com/testing and press enter. The Ads Blocker test page is a simple website that helps you check if your ad blocker is actually working. It automatically loads different types of ads, pop-ups, banners, overlays, and even YouTube ads to see if your blocker can stop them. If you don't see any ads while going through the test steps, it means your ad blocker is active and working properly.